Hello. I, what's up guys, today in this video I am going to be opening two Scottish Professional Football League card packs and 5 Premier League cards, and in the pack you can only get one of them, one in all of them. Okay, so let's get started. First pack I'm going to be opening is this one. So first I got Craig Story, another Craig Curran, Aaron Doran, Mikey Delvin, or Mickey, I don't know. I got a possession card, Tiger Rossi Tough Tackler card, got the Motherwell badge, Derek Lyle penalty specialist, I think, and a Derby Day hero, Henrik Larsson. This is a nice card. So the best player I got of this pack was him. I'm going to be opening the final pack of the Scottish Professional Football League cards. I got Jack Hamilton, Hearts keeper. Dave Mackay here. Danny Williams. Danny Redmond. Willow Flood. Kyle Hutton. Greg Fleming. I don't know. Paul McGowan. And Darren O'Dear, defender, star player. So the best player I got in the pack was obviously Darren O'Dear. Next I'm going to be opening the first pack. Okay, so first I got the Leicester badge. This badge is really nice. And the Wayne Rooney Pro 11 code card. The Demarai Gray, I don't know. Chris Smalling, Matt Target, Juan Mata, Leon Brighton, whatever, James McCarthy, and Adam Clayton. And I got a Vincent Janssen Man of the Match card. Oh yeah, and I was opening a total of 63 cards, I think. Yeah, it should be 63 cards, I don't know. First I got Callum Wilson here. Matthew Darmian, don't know, code card. And I got a Jamie Vardy Super Striker. John Stones Man City. A John Terry Captain card. A Glenn Whelan card. Andros Townsend. Damian Delaney, Pape Dijalloba, I don't know, and Lewis Grab, and on to the next pack. I get a man of the match per catch card. That's a really nice card. Stuck to the table. A Liverpool club badge. A Ryan Bertrand code card. A stat swap. So you would switch your stats around. Winston Reid tough tackler. Jack Butland. Unreal Kane Canny, don't know. Papi Suari. Nathan Ake. Kes Fabregas playmaker. This is my second last pack until, the last pack. A Dimitri Payet set piece specialist. Shane Long code card. Bakary Sagna. Christian Eriksen. Branislav Ivanovic. Jordan Henderson away kit card. And Lenny Guardiola. Sorry about our pronunciations of the name, I'm not very good. Leroy Fer away kit. Jordan Rhodes away. No, that's just normal kit, don't know why I said away kit. And Adahan Januzic. The final pack. So this is the Manchester City Sergio Aguero card. Oh, this is a really nice card. Alexis Sanchez, star player. And Aaron Ramsey, man of the match. A double already. I'll just show you the other one. I'll need to find it first. There he is. And that's my first double. Dimitri Payet. A Sergio Aguero code card. Granit Xhaka card. Arthur Mazukaku. Nemanja Matic. Jordan Much. I hate it, this table's just got repainted as well. So it'll be super sticky. And Jack Rodwell. Okay, so before I show you guys what Sergio Aguero is, please make sure you give this 10 likes. And yes, so we'll reveal it in 3, 2, 1. Gold limited edition! That is the best one, and I got it. Oh my god. This has probably been the best pack opening ever. So, I can't believe this. I got so many really good players. This has probably been the best pack opening ever. So I've just got all my base cards that I picked. So first was a Motherwell badge. Next, I'm not going in order, I'm just going to go whatever. Vincent Janssen, Peter Cage, Jamie Vardy, Liverpool badge, Alexis Sanchez, a double Dimitri Payet, Leicester City Football Club badge, the Aaron Ramsey match, Henrik Larsson, and then Sergio Aguero Gold Limited Edition. So I really hope you liked the video. I liked it. Just by far that's my favourite pack opening on camera. I don't think I've done that many on camera. No, I haven't actually done that many. But yeah, so subscribe if you're new. Like this. Try and get this to more than 10 likes now because I packed a lot of good players. 15 likes. That's all I'm asking for is 15 likes. And yeah, so I'll make more pack opening videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.